few minutes ago it was really nice outside, and look now. Wow. A blizzard. Got a blizzard going on. Hope I don't get drifted in. I'm gonna take a little trip through the bush here. Maybe there's a little less wind. A lot of snow. I don't know what size the drifts are gonna be out on the road. Dex, come boy. Driving out from the farm in a blizzard. Here we go. Well, now we're going to drive out to the main road, and boy is it ever drifting. Got a lot of snow. I don't know what size the drifts are going to be out on the road. Hope I don't get drifted in. Hope we don't get stuck. Well, I finally got the car unstuck. Holy crap. By the time I walked into the house to get the shovel and back, the drifts were about up to my knees. Look at this. Hope I don't get drifted in. Dex, sit.